From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Well, beauty across Acadiana today. In fact, let's take a look at that drone shot across the area. Lots of blue sky, some fair weather clouds out there as we rise up above KATC. We're looking at that drainage ditch that's over by the station as well. And looking at that sky, some flat cumulus clouds. The sky, you may have noticed over the last several days, has been bluer. That's because of the quality of the air that we've seen across Acadiana coming from Canada. So some good news there. And lots of sunshine as well with, again, temperatures a little bit warmer today. We got into the mid to upper 70s this afternoon, and as we head into tomorrow, more than likely lower 80s. So let's kick it upstairs, take a look at the satellite imagery, and we have that dry air that's pushed all the way down through Florida across our region. We have an upper level low up here in the upper Midwest, and that connects to another upper level low down here in the Southwest. Both are going to be moving in tandem and push on through this upper level trough tomorrow that could spark off a shower or two. Meanwhile, we have lots of tropical activity in the Pacific. Some of that moisture trying to work its way northward, but we don't think we see significant moisture in our area until toward the end of next week. We can see our frontal boundary off to the north with the area of low pressure. Some showers all the way down through Missouri, but not a whole lot going on farther south. And for us, high pressure now is shifted off to the east, and we're seeing a return of southerly winds across the area. So as we examine the tropics, we have a new hurricane, Norma, being upgraded from a tropical storm to a hurricane. This is going to be heading for Baja. Some of this moisture heads toward the U.S., but I think it's going to stay well west of our region. And then we go farther to the east. New developments here with now tropical storm Tammy, as expected, upgraded to a tropical storm this afternoon with about 40-mile-per-hour winds, moving pretty smartly to the west at about 23. But tropical storm watches have been issued for portions of the Northeast Caribbean, as this is going to be moving on through there as we head into Thursday, Friday mainly, and then moving out to sea thereafter. Still expected to be a mid-range tropical storm, so some wind, and you can see the wind plot right here. Anything in the yellow is the radius of tropical storm force winds, so that'll be impacting the islands come Friday and then moving out to sea and into the North Atlantic thereafter. So let's take a look at the Euro model. We see the moisture in that system getting drawn off to the north and east. We see Norma right here threatening Baja, and then perhaps another system down here in the eastern Pacific. And again, some of that moisture works its way into Mexico, tries to leap over, get into Texas, up into the plains. But notice what we're on the lookout for is we do see a little moisture increase come next Wednesday, maybe more so toward next Thursday into Friday. And we'll keep our fingers crossed that we do see some rain chances. Again, the drought situation awfully bad across the area, with an exceptional drought across all of Acadiana, much of Louisiana as well. So milder overnight tonight will favor upper 50s to near 60 with an east-southeast wind. And then for tomorrow, might see a sporadic shower or two, but we can't go with rain chances much higher than 10 or 15% for our Thursday. Maybe a lingering shower into the afternoon hours, but rain chance by then is going to be 5%. We're going to get into the mid-80s tomorrow, so a good 5 to 7 degrees warmer than today. This front pushing on through by Friday morning. We don't see much of a change behind the front, back into the mid to upper 80s on Friday, and it could be even warmer as we're going to have a pronounced west-northwest flow, and it descends off of the plateau out in Texas. That usually means a warmer than expected forecast, so we might even be pushing 90 degrees come Saturday, believe it or not. So overnight tonight, about 10 degrees milder than last night, will favor mid-50s. A few patches of fog out there as temperatures meet up with the dew point, but not expecting anything widespread. Upper 50s to lower 60s I-10 corridor, and much the same across the coastal parishes as well. And then as we head into tomorrow, that nice warm-up, temperatures get into the 80s for sure. Tomorrow night we hold in the 60s, most of us upper 50s to the north, and then going into Friday, mid to upper 80s, and we might not be done with 90 degrees quite yet in spots across Acadiana. So 60 the overnight low tonight, milder overall, still pleasant with fair skies and that quarter moon looking real pretty during the course of the evening hours. Then tomorrow, mixture of clouds and sun, most clouds mainly in the morning hours. That's when we might have our chance of a shower or two, but again, rain chance no higher than about 10%. 82 the projected high for your Thursday afternoon. As we we move it into Friday, pushing 90 degrees. If we don't hit it Friday, we're going to hit it Saturday. So this front is misleading. It cools us off a little bit at night, but overall warmer than normal temperatures going into next week. And then maybe toward the end of the week, an unsettled pattern as we head toward the latter part of the week and into the following weekend. And maybe some decent rains eventually. But that's it for now for weather. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.